working on my Nissan Skyline V36 with the VQ35HR engine. So as you guys can see, I want to work on the oil galleys. I want to replace them. I want to replace the timing chain with the timing tensioner. So at this point, what I'm doing, I just set the engine at the top dead center, remove the front cover, as you guys are seeing over here. If you guys want to see that in depth, I have a full video where I worked on the VQ35DE, which is basically almost the same in terms of the layouting of the timing chain itself. So additionally, I will be also replacing the water pump as part of the process. So right now that I have the engine at top dead center, I'll just start to remove the tensioners and making sure that I can remove the timing. So if you want to how to timing on VQ35, so you have that dot on the left cam, it needs to be pointed up here on top, same right here at the right, and at the bottom. I believe that you guys can see that in that mark right there, right on the crank, that one at the middle. So that one also needs to be pointing towards that slash on the oil pump. And when you're inserting back the timing, I believe that you can see that small strap right there. When you insert the timing, you will the new timing chain, so you will put the orange mark, which is this one right here, just right there. So it's pretty much straightforward to do this job. So now let's go ahead and remove the chain. I just managed to remove the old timing chain and the water pump. Start again. And the water pump, and as you guys are seeing over there, it's pretty much rusty. This is because of using water, and it can easily damage the bearing, so you can imagine. Also remove the tensioner. This is generally one of the culprits of bad noises, and you can see how dirty it was. So we have the guides, we do have the new ones that we'll be using. And at this point, what I want to go ahead and do is to remove Galley gaskets. And as you can see, that one was already starting to broke. And generally, those are one of the culprits of those engines to fail, because once they're broken, you lose oil pressure, and you can imagine. So for this, I'm just using this small Phillips screwdriver with a wrench attached to it, so it's making it easier to me to open. We just removed the first galley, and as you guys are seeing over there, it was already broken in this area right here. You can see the other part is just there, so it was leaking from just there. So you can definitely see on the highlighted area, the gasket was already broken, and you can see that both paper sides lifted, and we were losing oil pressure from the middle. So definitely those paper-based gaskets are no way to go. So I'm glad we made this on time. Removing the one on the top. Oh my, it just fell off. But they're good. This one, at least it was intact, as you guys are seeing over there. So yeah, great. We just managed to clean up the surfaces. So now it's time to install the gasket. So this is the new revision. So folks, don't make the same mistake as I did. That part number right there, of course, is the new revision, but for the VQ35DE, which has slightly different notches on the canvas of the Galley gasket, and as I'm showing you, this is the newer part. So you can use this one, and you can see that it's more roundish. And also we did clean up the supporting brackets. Então, conforme estão a ver aí, fiz o alinhamento do primeiro vedante e agora vou dar seguimento com o resto. Now I'm installing the water pump. Brand is Ina. It's a good aftermarket part, as you guys are seeing over there. Should be running for a good time. So now we have the new water pump installed. We also have the galleys, as you guys are seeing, with the metal gasket. So now it's a matter of do the timing and put back everything together. So at this point, as you may be seeing there, we have the card timed. So we just need to pull the pin and voila, the timing is set. Estou a finalizar a limpeza da tampa. Temos que também fazer a troca do vedante aqui da camota, que é este daqui. Agora vou colocar este gasket solenoid aqui e vai ser apertado aqui. E também é importante trocar os vedantes que entram aqui, que são estes. So folks, many minutes later, managed to reconnect, to fit the front timing cover, as you might be seeing there. Everything is bolted up where it should. I have the crank pulley already installed, did the wiring, the negatives, the grounds are already set, so I think we are good to at least start her up and feel how it sounds. So as you guys might have seen, it does work. So now I just have to fit everything related with the cooling system, so we should be able to run it longer. But for now, that's it. I hope you guys are enjoying. So folks, top it up the antifreeze, as you guys are seeing over there. We have the filter box installed, we have coolant on the system, so now we can start it up. Ignition on. Wonderful. Wonderful. As you guys are seeing over there, engine is working smoothly. Oh